It's time for another hot dish from Happy, Healthy, Wise.
With Daddy!
Hello everybody, welcome to How to Make Your Wife Happy and Healthy. Today we have a special
Kitchen Gadget Corner! With Daddy!
edition where we use a kitchen gadget to make a wonderful tasting dish. And your taste buds are going to be thigh high today as you dig in that very tender and juicy dish we're going to make today. So come on everybody, let's get cooking. Alright, we're going to start by plugging in our Instant Pot. Ours is called the Mealthy. And we just set it to saute, because we're going to have to cook the chicken. Now that our Instant Pot is heating up, let's get the chicken ready. So I got some chicken thighs here. Some of the best tasting chicken you can get. We're going to have, this package is 5 chicken thighs. So we've got 5 chicken thighs. We're going to season them up. The first thing we're going to add to our chicken, because our family loves it, is garlic. Now, unfortunately, because of COVID-19, I've unfortunately had to resort to this garlic. I'm going to put on some salt. Now, this one also needs a dry hand, so I'm going to start like this. Sprinkle on, because I don't want to sprinkle on too much salt. Oh, that's not enough at all. Get some more salt on there. That looks good. Okay, right on the skin. Yeah. Okay, so I have a dry hand that can do the seasoning. And now this hand's going to be the dirty hand. That's one that gets to do all the flipping of the chicken. I still have some salt left in my hand, so I want to make sure I didn't waste that salt. So that was probably about a teaspoon of salt or so. Add our pepper. There it is, sprinkled on. Beautiful. Next, some paprika. And our last seasoning we're going to use today, Italian's favorite, basil. Okay, to start with, we're going to add about a tablespoon of oil. Now that the tray is nice and hot and our chicken's all seasoned, and a tablespoon of butter. Normally I'd be using stick butter, but run out of stick butter recently, so we're going to use the next best thing. See that sizzle in there? That's nice. Now let's fry up our chicken skin with it. This is so we can crisp up the chicken skin. Make it very flavorful and tasty. I think it's been one more into here. We'll let it cook for about 5 minutes just on the skin side. Let's take a look. Let's see. Alright, that looks pretty good and brown. I'm going to take it off on the plate to the side for a minute. Okay, nice and browned. Set those aside. Go ahead and cancel. Use the cancel button and cancel your saute. Because next what we're going to do, we're going to add in a cup of water. This is so we can steam. In addition to that cup of water, we're going to add in once the trivet. This keeps the chicken above the liquid below. Now that the chicken is in the pot sealed, we are going to click on pressure cook for 12 minutes. Set down to 12 minutes. Once that is done, your chicken should be cooked through to 200 degrees on the inside about. Click it on 12 minutes, let it sit, it'll automatically start. As it goes, it's going to start pressurizing, then it will cook for 12 minutes, then it will turn itself off. Okay, our multi-pot just beeped. That means it is cooked and ready. If the timer's gonna keep counting up, 0, then 1, then 2, however many minutes you wanna leave it. If you wanna let it rest until the pressure dissipates on its own, you can. But later, in a little bit, maybe about 5 minutes or so, when I'm ready for it, I'm going to hit that pressure release all the pressure so we can take the chicken out and get it ready to eat right away. Okay, now that the pot has been resting for about 9 minutes, we're going to open the vent. That's gonna make this button pop down. It's gonna cause a lot of steam. I'm gonna go ahead and open the vent so we can get the chicken out. Other way. There it goes. The rest of the steam is now coming out. That button's gonna pop down. And now we're ready to open up and take a look at our wonderful chicken. Open it up. Now we're gonna take our completely cooked chicken out. Steamed. The steam kind of took away the crispiness of the skin. Chicken thighs. Oh, and don't throw away that good juice at the bottom. No, no, no. You can add some cornstarch, thicken it up, flour to thicken it up, make it into gravy, or you can do what I'm about to do. Take out the trivet, be careful, it's hot. Set that aside. Take out the pot, it is also hot. We're gonna take all that wonderful juice and water, pour it into this bowl, see how much we got. Hopefully we got about a cup. Ooh, more than a cup. Perfect. Our recipe calls for 1.5 cups of water. So we're gonna put this into our stuffing.
Okay. This chicken is really good. It's really soft, it's skinny and crispy, and it's loaded with flavor. It's also very juicy, sort of like the chicken you'd find in a chicken soup.
Didn't you already do this dish? The chicken is seasoned very nicely and most of the flavor comes from the skin. It's not very crispy, but I think I like soft chicken skin, so I like this one. But some people might like crispy, but I like it.
Happy Healthy Wild Chef Barry here, reminding you to tenderly touch that like button just like we ate through those very tender and flavorful chicken thighs. Have you ever found your chicken thighs to be tender? What method did you use to cook them? Please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to be notified of all my new videos that come out on Mondays. Thanks for watching. Have a happy and healthy day.